Ashto, exhale, hands down, step back, lower. Nava, inhale. Desha, exhale. Ekadasha, left foot, inhale, breathe the arms up. Dwadasha, exhale, breathe the hands down, step back and lower. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Now, right now is going to be a really good downward dog assist time because usually after you go through three Sun Salutation A's and one B, the tapas in the body, the heat in the body starts to rise, the heartbeat starts to rise. And really the Sun Salutation A and B, this allows us to stretch safely when we get to the seated postures and even when we get to some of the standing postures. So Sun A and Sun B is very important to the practice. So we'll just do it in English this time. So bend in the knees, look forward. As you inhale, travel towards the top of the mat, come up to a flat spine. As you exhale, hinge and fold. Then squat down as you bend those knees, bring the arms overhead. And as you exhale, bring the hands to the hips and kind of step or jump the feet hip distance apart for Padangusthasana.